I'll be repeating this instruction for everybody's good. Please wear your masks, follow the COVID protocols. I'll repeat, please wear your masks, follow the COVID protocols. Can we ask you now to come to the starting point? Amol, can you please come to the start point? This is a wonderful track of multiple loops, sharp turns and curves, and every participant would get to do 2 laps of this wonderful track. It's a timing event. The scrutiny of vehicles have been done to ensure safety norms are being followed. We have put enough safeguards on the track for the safety of the driver as well. The driver wears his helmet and seat belt. And the first participant for the event, participant number 56, is ready, and the chief guest and Sanjay Bhai are ready to flag off. And can I ask all the audience, the viewers, to please step back, everybody. The vehicle is going to pace up. Please step back. Please step back, everybody. Please. And the countdown begins. Come on, everybody, put your hands together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. That was for a photo op. We begin track again. Can I request everybody to please step back for your own safety, please? Thank you so much.
बैठ गया सर, बैठ गया ना। विक्रम विक्रम प्रसाद
पहिली काबार करूया माझी फुडलं इथे पोहूया ते दुसरं सेकंड इशू सजय भाई आज एक घडोवन हाडला कितें सांगू तुका
हो ऑर्गनायझेशनचा हा जो माझा भाव जून 24 तारखेला एक्सपायर झाला त्याच्या यादीन खातीर तेंच्यांनी हांव केला ही सगळे पयले असले स्पोर्ट्स हांव पयले पार्टिसिपेट करतालो आनी तेणी टेक ओवर केल्या उपरांत तेणी खूब फुडें रेंजेसर गेलो आनी सगळे जसे ग्रेट एस्केप म्हण किंवा आमचे गोवा 4x4 एक्स्ट्रीम एक्सपोर्ट म्हण
Participant number 1.
4x4 हितून पार्टिसिपेट करून तेंच्यांनी ग्रुप फुडें वचपाक लागले तेजे आज अचानक तेजे डेथ जाल्या उपरांत हेंच्यांनी आतां तेजे यादीन केल्ले आहा कितें आसता आयुश्यान सदीत काम आनी कांय खेळ ना किंवा कांय एंटरटेनमेंट ना किंवा ऑल वर्क एंड नो प्ले मेक्स जॅक अ डॉल पळय तशें आयुश्य आसपाक जायना कोणाक ना कोणाक सदांच कितें ना कितें स्वताचो एक आर्ट आसपा जाय खंय तरी पार्टिसिपेट स्पोर्ट्समॅनशीप स्पिरीट आसपा जाय अशें ह्या तेच्या विचारा खातीर लोकांनी आज अरेंज केला आणि प्रत्येकान अशें आयुश्यान कितें ना कितें तरी असो स्पोर्ट्समॅनशीप दवरून खंयच्या ना खंयच्या स्पोर्ट्सान किंवा खंयच्या ना खंयच्या एक्टान पार्टिसिपेट करपा जाय. आमकां सोशल सर्विसान करपाचें इंट्रस्ट आसा, ताका ते स्पोर्ट्सान आसलें. अशें करून लायफ फुडें व्हरपाचें आसता. लायफ एकदांच मेळटा आयुश्यान, तें बरे भशेन जगपाक जाय. कितलो जगलो तो इम्पॉर्टंट ना, कसो जगलो तो इम्पॉर्टंट आसता आयुश्यान. इतलेंच आजच्या युवकांक आनी आजच्या आपल्या समाजाक सांगपाची इच्छा करता.
या कैप्टन
सर कैप्टन
आप ये इवेंट के बारे में क्या कहना चाहोगे?
Good morning, first of all. I am honored to be here for the adventure activity, which is basically being done for the purpose of charitable for the old age and other people who are required to be brought up in the society. This event basically is for strength and stamina, which will keep our society also strong. With this event, people will get motivated to be more energetic and to be more honest and be more dedicated towards this society. I am really happy for the event which is being organized for this particular aspect for the welfare of the disabled people or to the needy people or to the old age home. The charitable activity is being done through adventure is really grateful for us to understand.
Can I have the first
the
participant
meaning of the
on the wheels, please?
event.
Oi.
Thank you very much.
या संजय संदीप जुळानी
बंद करा विक्रम, बंद केलं.
बंद केलं चालू